First, remove the cap of the MDI. Place the child in a position of comfort. Insert the mouthpiece of the inhaler into the back end of the spacer with the canister facing up. Shake the inhaler and spacer unit. Then place the mask firmly on the child's face so a tight seal is formed around the nose and mouth. Hold the spacer horizontally or perpendicular to the child's face. Press down on the inhaler one time. Keep the spacer and mask in place and have the child carry out normal tidal volume breathing for 10 seconds. Monitor the child's breathing to be sure they are taking breaths in and out through the spacer. When finished, remove the spacer and mask from the child's face. Allow the child to relax and breathe normally. Infants and young toddlers are not able to do a breath hold, but caregivers can begin to teach this step when the child can inhale on command and hold his or her breath for 5 to 10 seconds.